So today I'm going to be talking about night vision retention. It's something that I personally don't see talked about a whole lot. Everyone kind of gets like tunnel vision on getting the actual night vision, and so retention is kind of a big deal. It kind of goes for anything. I mean, like your important items like fucking optics, lasers, and whatnot. At least when I was in the Army, we always tied them off to our rifles. I'm sure that a lot of the guys did similar shit if you were in the military. And night vision was one of those things. We did that as well. So I have seen a few like options on the commercial market. I know that Parachuter Gear makes a nod lock, and I know that Risky Chrissy did a video on it not too long ago. And if you want to buy one of those, like, that's cool. Like, I'm totally like supporter for that. I think, like, go for it, man. A way that I used to do it back when I was in the Army was they just had us fucking tie off some 550 cord to these little holes here, and you'd have some fucking long ass cord usually tied off to your fucking cat eye band on your helmet. That was kind of shitty though, because it would always just like dangle in the way, get caught on branches and whatnot. So I figured I'd kind of show the DIY way that I would do it. I have one of these little, it's like a leash made by North American Rescue. It's originally made for trauma shears, but I've kind of adapted it to use for night vision, just because I like the fact that like, obviously it's like those fucking things for ID badges, it retracts, so it keeps it nice and tight and streamlined. If I wanted to, I could probably run it through more of these fucking shock cords right here and just kind of keep it tighter to the helmet. But I actually I just threw this on my helmet earlier today. I have another helmet that I have. It's a ballistic one, and I've kind of got this rigged up a bit more permanently, but I figured this would be the easiest way to kind of show you guys the concept. Because originally these come with like a big fucking key ring, but I took that shit off because it's shiny, it's metal, it rattles. This is a lot simpler and doesn't make as much noise, and it's kind of less obtrusive. Just tying a loop with some fucking 550. But I kind of just wanted to show you guys this as an example, because I know you could probably, maybe not exactly the North American Rescue ones, but this kind of leash you could probably pick up at like fucking Walmart for a few dollars if you don't want to put in an order somewhere, if you just want something that's quick and kind of streamlined. I know, like, so this is an aux cord bump, and I know that, yeah, it comes with these little fucking, I can't get this shit out, dude, but these little fucking things right here. I'll be honest, I really don't know how useful these are for actually retaining your nods. I know, like, it helps kind of keep your rhino mount locked back, but you should probably have your night vision better tied down, because it's one thing to have like an optic fall off in the middle of the daytime, you can pick it back up, but to have your nods come off your helmet, especially right now, I'm using like a shitty J-arm and rhino mount because I'm poor. I spent all my money on night vision. I don't have a better mount, but yeah, to drop these in the dark and not be able to fucking find them, like, that's gonna fucking suck. Especially, I mean, like, if I had this come undone on me, it's really not a big deal. Like, my night vision will still be connected to my head in some way, shape, or form. And given the fact that night vision is about the only way you're going to be seeing at nighttime, at least when you're using it, you really do not want to lose that shit. So I figured I'd show you guys this cheap and easy way to retain your night vision and to just talk about it in general. If you have night vision, you should find a way to keep it tied off to you that doesn't fucking suck. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them down below. If you want to say that I'm fucking poor for having PVS 14s, you're more than welcome to join my Discord and send me a picture of your night vision. But yeah, fucking, that's all I got for now, guys.